Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to explain responsive and adaptive web design. Why web developers want their web pages should be responsive and adaptive, and many things we'll discuss in this tutorial. Let's watch this amazing video.
I'll talk about responsive web design. Why it is must for modern websites? With the increase in smartphones and other mobile devices, these days responsive web design has become the hottest trend. Web designing is essential to keep up with the newest trends. In recent times, a businesses can be displayed in any given mobile device and to have a responsive web design. That means your website will respond properly in any mobile device. Skipping the distributing scrolls and long menus list to find the information they had been seeking for. It is what web designing specialists have named as a responsive web design. Responsive web design means a website is automatically resized based on the size of screen what we open. With the increase of popularity of mobile phones, tablets, and all of the stuff, responsive web design is also increasing now. Responsive web design is a biggest trend in e-commerce these days, and many experts predict that in future responsive design will be the most common method of web development. There are so many benefits for responsive web designing. We can save the time and cost effective, we can increase the sales and all of the stuff. Finally, the main goal of responsive web design is to make the website easier to display on devices with different screen sizes. Without having to create separate versions of website for each device separately, responsive web design makes your website available to every audience, which includes mobile users with different type of smartphones and tablet. By using three languages HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can make a responsive web design. In before video I already said about these three languages. Go through that video. The link is in description. Just watch that video. You'll get a clear clarity about these three languages. And next one is adaptive web designing. As the term adaptive prospects about its property, adaptive web designing is methodology for creating specific layouts in accordance with different devices like mobiles, tablet, desktops, etc. I want to give a real-time example for adaptive web designing, that is the famous site is Facebook. The site detects the type of device used and delivers the layout for that device. Suppose we are using in Facebook in our mobile, the total UI is different. When we are using in desktop, the UI is different. That is called adaptive web design. It detects the device and delivers the layout for that device. That is called adaptive web design. Both responsive and adaptive web design are used to deliver website in different devices by adapting and modeling to a screen size. The main difference between adaptive and responsive is the responsive web design is shrinks the based on the devices and resizes the website based on the particular device. But coming to adaptive, by it detects the device, based on that device the layout will be opened. That is the main difference between adaptive and responsive. Finally, I want to give a clear example which was real and designed by me. I designed a project. In that project folder there are so many web pages. In that, the main web page is home page. I open in browser, it automatically shrinks according to the size of the screen. If I resizes the screen. If I resizes the browser, it automatically shrinks according to the size of the screen. That is responsive. If I open any web page which was I designed, it automatically resizes and shrinks according to the size of the screen. That is responsive. That is called responsive. If I open the same web page in my mobile or tablet, it automatically shrinks according to the size of the screen. That is responsive web page. If I open this login page which was I designed, it's not good to see that it it shrinks according to the size of the screen, but the login and all of the stuff, it's not good, not at all. That is not responsive which was I designed. If I see in mobile, it's not good to see. I want to give real time example which was designed by Google. Gmail. If I open the Gmail login page, it automatically resizes according to the size of the screen. It is totally responsive web page designing. Which, if I enlarges the screen, it automatically enlarges. If I shorten the screen, it automatically. That is called responsive. Another example for adaptive web designing. If I open Facebook for desktop or mobile phone, the UI is totally different, because based on the devices the layouts will be displayed. That is called adaptive web designing. If I open actually they design for desktop view, these layouts should be displayed. For mobile view, these layouts should be displayed. They will design different versions of layouts. Different versions of layout was designed for the devices. That is called adaptive web designing. So many web developers wants their web pages should be adaptive or responsive, because they are easy to view and see on the.
I'll come with another tutorial which is introduction to HTML5. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply.